Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a scary Halloween video using CapCut, video effects and sounds. So in here, you can just open your videos in CapCut. So I already have this video added into my CapCut PC timeline. And first, let's add the video effects. So you can go to effects, video effects in here. Here you can find this dark category with a pumpkin curve on it to see all of the scary or creepy video effects to use for your Halloween videos. So you can see there are lots of options that you can use. For example, here I'm going to try to use this trick or treat video effects. Let's click on the plus icon and add it to the video. Okay, I'm going to use or adjust the position. I'm going to put it in here because the object is on the right side. Here you can adjust the strength, the size of the text, speed, and texture. I'm going to lower it a bit. And this is the dripping blood trick or treat effects, and to make it even scarier you can use sound effects to it. So let's go to audio, click on sound effects, and I'm going to just use Halloween as the keyword. So here you can just choose which one to use. You can click on the audio, the sound effects, to hear it one by one, to hear the preview. Let's try the second one in here. So just choose which one that you think fits your videos. I'm going to download this too and choose between them. Okay, I'm going to just use the first one. And I think you can click on the plus icon and put it in anywhere you like. So this is the final result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.